Hi, I'm Dr. Terry Seitz. I went into orthopedics because I was an athlete myself and had gone through some injuries during my collegiate career. I've always been interested in science, and going into medicine seemed like a natural progression for me, and particularly sports medicine was an area of interest of mine, as I felt like I had some intuition having been on both sides of the equation. The other thing that was very exciting is that orthopedics was an area that was taking off in terms of research and development, and the things that have transpired over the last 20 years to get athletes and everybody else back in the game of life has just been very rewarding, and so that was my career choice. I played collegiate basketball at Missouri State University, and after finishing my career there, I went to the University of Missouri Medical School. Uh, there in medical school, I was initially interested in doing cardiovascular surgery, and then switched over to orthopedic surgery, particularly after doing a residency rotation or a medical student rotation down in Dallas at Parkland, and really seemed to gravitate toward the orthopedic residents. They were a lot of old athletes as well. From there, I went to California and did a fellowship in academic research, followed by a residency at UC Davis in California, followed by a fellowship at Baylor College of Medicine in Houston. I had the benefit of working with some professional teams and collegiate teams while I was down in Houston, the Astros and the Oilers, University of Houston Cougars, and then went back to California for a couple years. I had grown up in Little Rock and St. Louis area, and was interested as I started having children to come back to the Ozark area, and was really impressed with what was going on in the Fayetteville area. I was looking for a university community. Fayetteville was a great fit for me. I had the fellowship training in sports medicine. There really wasn't anybody in the area at that time that had my level of training, which led to me coming here. I've been here since 1993. They had the great fortune in the last decade to take over the care of the Razorback Athletics in addition to our private practice, and with Advanced Orthopaedic Specialists, we have had the pleasure of taking care of the University of Arkansas. And it's a very rewarding situation to have the training and skills and the opportunity to take a collegiate level athlete and help them through the trials and tribulations of sustaining an injury and then recovering from that. And to see them go back to the field and have the opportunity to pursue their dreams in athletics is probably the most rewarding aspect of my career.